Say we want to integrate sine square x. Well, it's not very easy to do as is, but what we can remember is the formula cosine 2x is equal to cosine square x minus sine square x, double angle formula, which is also equal because cosine square plus sine square equal 1 to 2 cosine square x minus 1, and also equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. Okay, so from the third line we can replace, we can get 2 sine square x is equal to 1 minus cosine 2x, which means that sine square x is equal to 1/2 minus cosine 2x over 2. Very good, and that's what we're going to do. So the integral here becomes 1/2 minus cosine 2x over 2 dx. Okay, so which is, I should have pulled the 1/2, 1 minus cosine 2x dx, which is 1/2, and so if we integrate that, that's x minus the primitive of cosine is sine, so it's sine 2x over 2 plus constant, and which is therefore the primitive of sine square x. Now let's do cosine square x. Very similar. Let's do one maybe a bit harder. And you know what, we're just going to do it a bit harder. 3x dx. We want to calculate this. Right, so again we use exactly the same thing. So cosine square of 3x is equal to cosine square of cosine apologies. Cosine 6x is equal to cosine square 3x minus sine square 3x, which is equal to 2 cosine square 3x minus 1, and also equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x 3x. So from the second line we get 2 cosine square 3x is equal to cosine 6x plus 1, and so therefore cosine square 3x is equal to 1/2 of cosine 6x plus 1, so which we substitute in the integral, so that's 1/2 of cosine 6x plus 1 dx. Easy to integrate, so it's 1/2 of cosine 6x plus 1 dx. So the primitive is therefore 1/2. The primitive of cosine is sine, so it's sine 6x over 6, because we need to introduce a correction factor 6, plus x plus c. Okay, let's do that with a definite integral. Say we want to calculate between minus pi on 2 and pi on 4 cosine square x dx. Right. So again, cosine 2x is equal to, let's go a bit faster now, 2 cosine square x minus 1. So therefore 2 cosine square x is equal to cosine 2x plus 1. And so therefore cosine square x is equal to 1/2 of cosine 2x plus 1. Okay, so the integral becomes the integral between minus pi on 2 and pi on 4 of 1/2 cosine 2x plus 1 dx, which is equal to 1/2 of minus pi on 2 to pi on 4 cosine 2x plus 1 dx, which is 1/2 of primitive of cosine is sine, so therefore it's sine 2x on 2 plus x between minus pi on 2 and pi on 4. So okay, so it's equal to 1/2 of, for the first bit, sine, well, 2 times pi on 4, that's pi on 2 over 2 plus pi on 4 minus, and then that's sine 2 times minus pi on 2, so that's sine minus pi on 2 minus pi on 2. Okay, so this is 0, this is 1, so it's 1/2 of 1/2 plus pi on 4, and then for the second term there is minus, so plus pi on 2. So it's what? It's 1/4 plus pi on 4 plus pi on 2, that's 3 pi on 4 plus 3 pi on 8. That's it.